Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect a VCR to a smart TV. Full setup guide with RCA, HDMI and adapter. Method first, connect using RCA cable. Turn off your TV and VCR, then connect the yellow cable on the video out on the VCR and the video in on the TV. Then connect the white and red cable to the audio out on the VCR and the audio in on the TV. Then turn on both devices. Then press the input or source button on your TV remote, then select AV, composite or video. Then insert a VHS tape and press play on the VCR. Second method is connect using an RCA to HDMI converter. Connect the yellow, white and red RCA cable from the VCR to the RCA input on the converter. Then connect an HDMI cable from the converter to an HDMI port on the TV. Then plug the converter into a USB power source or its included power adapter. Then turn on the TV and VCR. Then select the correct HDMI input on your TV. Then play a VHS tape to verify the connection. Thanks for watching.